Hey guys, so I'm back finally. I haven't posted in about 7 or so months, but I have been doing Amazon ever since. I have some ups and downs, but I'm going to go over that real quick today, just a recap to get back into uploading these videos. So about 5 months ago, 6 months ago now, I started with my first product. It took a long time to get into Amazon. I had a bunch of things that I didn't know when I was starting, and I didn't meet regulations, Amazon regulations. They held it. It was sitting in their warehouse for 2 months, so it was a huge thing. My dad had to help me get approval to finally start to sell. So I finally got to start to sell that product after 2 or 3 months. While that was waiting, I ordered another product that looked really good, and I found everything on Jungle Scout. Like, I searched all my products, but that was just like a seasonal. So even though it was like 2 weeks after December, it was in January, so I thought it was still, good sales. Right when I ordered it, the sales started to just diminish. So that product was a dud. I still have some units in stock, but I'm just holding them until next Christmas time coming up, and I know I'll be able to sell them. So that's 2 products in, about 2 months into this year. The first product that I have is finally selling. It's doing okay, 4 or 5 units a day. Not anything crazy, but doing all right. Now on my screen here, I finally got another product about a month ago. I think it was May 6th or something like that. We got it in, and it's been doing great ever since. Now on my screen you can see just the last 8 days I have on here. This is my Fetcher app that I use. It's kind of like an accounting system, but it links with Amazon. It's very good. So if you're doing FBA, I would highly recommend this program. It's $19.99 a month. So you see here on the 28th, it's the last 8 days. We sold 150 units. We're doing roughly, 18 to 20 a day. 150 units, $2,600 in sales, and $985 profit. That's at 37%, which is very good, but it's going up and up every day because I'm lowering my ads, and we've been raising our price. I finally got my price up, I think, $4 since launch. You see my cost here this week in the last 8 days, $141 in PPC. So I've been lowering it. At the beginning, I was spending like $50 a day just to help me rank and stuff like that. Just one of my strategies I use. But that's basically it, guys. Just wanted to come and tell you guys what's going on. I'm gonna be uploading maybe 2 times a week, hopefully. Just talking about my journey. I have 2 new products coming in by the mid of this month. 2 more products. I have 3 in total. I just have 1 right now that's running, and that's about it. I'm just gonna keep. I'll upload some more videos, guys. If there's anything you guys want to see, if you are doing Amazon FBA, comment down below, and I'm be more than happy to do a video on it. If you want to see how I do my product research, how I optimize my PPC campaigns, which I'm not the best at, but I'm decent at. If you want to see how I find my keywords, anything like that, I will happily do the videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.